So hey guys, welcome back to my new video, and I know this video is coming after 1 year, I guess, because at last I remember I started this channel at 25th December on Christmas, and first video was on that day, and now I'm creating it on 26th December. So for that we will create another video. So now let us focus on Python functions, and from now videos would have good quality, good voice quality, and editing would be perfect for this. So Python functions, we'll start it. Okay. So functions. Now we will understand what is the meaning of function. Function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. Okay, means a block of code is there. You put it into a function, and when it is required, you call that function name by the name, and your code would run as you have wrote the code. And I'll give you the practical also. So first, let us go through the slides, and then we'll go to this. You can pass data known as parameters into a function. Okay, parameters we'll learn more in the video. A functions can return data as a result. Okay, so as I said, how to create a function. In Python, a function is defined using the def keyword. Okay, so def keyword. Well, so first we will start this open code, and we'll open this into Visual Studio Code. Okay, so till that time it is starting, we'll move on further. How to call a function. To call a function, use the function's name followed by the parenthesis. For example, function's name and then the parenthesis. This is the format of calling the function. Okay, and inside the parenthesis, you can add the parameters that we'll see in videos. So parameters and arguments. Okay, so meaning of parameter and argument is the same. So information can be passed into a function as arguments or parameters. Arguments are Arguments are specified after the function's name inside the parenthesis. You can add as many arguments as you want. Just separate them with a comma. Okay. So this would be the end. About parentheses, we will make another video because the video would get too lengthy for that. So now let us go into our folder and then we'll create a file. Let's function.py. Okay, function.py. Now here first we'll start from the starting. So functions and then how to create a function. So here by using the def keyword. So we will use the def keyword and then we will make the function's name. Like give an example. We'll give it as shady. Okay, shady. Okay. Now don't spam what is shady. I know what is that. I mean simply. So afterward, after you wrote the function's name, like I gave it shady, and then you have to add parenthesis. Okay. After parenthesis, you have to add an I don't know what is I just forgot. I think and colon. Yeah, colon, and then if you press enter, you are inside the function. Okay, in previous videos, in if and else, I had explained you how to get inside the function. So I'll not go in detail again. So inside the function now we are. So we will do here is simply let us create a variable name. We will add Marshall Marshall. I don't know full name. Okay, so let it be. So name, we'll make a name. Okay, and then age is 50. Okay, and whenever we will call this print name, and whenever we will call that, then print age. Okay, so simple function. So let me show you if I run this. If I run this function, nothing will execute. Just the window will turn on and then it will close off. As I said. Okay. So now we will check in the Visual Studio Code, then you can get a better understanding what is going on in this. It's starting. As I said, the the file has opened and then it is closed. Because we have just put this into a function, and in this functions is a block of code which only runs when it is called. Okay, so we haven't called that, so we can do here. We'll call shady, and then parenthesis. Okay, now if we will run in this Python file. Okay, so if you will watch it closely, then the name Marshall and the age are print. We will check in this too. Marshall and 50. What was given? Okay. So now let us check about what is parenthesis. So you have got an idea how to create functions and use it. So let us see how to create a function, how to call a function, then parameters. Okay. So what is parameters? We'll do that. Parameters, parameters. Okay. So now, for example, our function will create a new function. First, let us comment out this. Like we will give again shady. We will call shade, or we will call slim. Okay, slim. Let us give slim shady now, right? That would be more perfect. Okay, so now we will give your wait. Let us let me give you a real life example for this. Then you can understand more better. So def username. Okay, username, and here we will give it as. So in this we will give it as parameter a. Okay, so we have made an variable a. Okay, and when we will do print a only we will do. Okay, so username. Okay, so you will call the username, and now as we have given parameter over here a, or we will change this to name. Okay, so you can understand this more better. So so while calling the function you have to add the name of user. Okay, then and then your name would be printed. So while inside I will write my name, and if I run this, Lalit. Okay, so username. So means it's like parameters while running the code, while running your what we say while running your function. Okay, so while running your function, you have to add the parameter what you have given. Okay, so parameters you can get a brief information about W3 school there. So I think this should be okay for the video today. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. I hope you would have liked this. Subscribe and all, and you know that what is that. So follow me on my Instagram too. Bye.